Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to turn on two-step verification on Amazon. We will also put our Amazon shop link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, enter your email or mobile phone number. Then click on Continue. Next, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for Account and Lists at the upper right part of the page. Click on Account and Lists. On this page, you will see an option for Login and Security. Click on Login and Security. Under Login and Security, you will see a section for two-step verification. Beside it is a button that says Turn On. Click Turn On. On this page, you will see information about two-step verification. To proceed, click on Get Started. Now, enter the phone number you wish to use. This will serve as your authenticator. Enter it on the field provided. Then click on Continue. On the phone number you provided, a one-time password will be sent. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Continue. It might also ask you to enter your password. Here, just enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Lastly, read and review the information shown here. After that, click on the button that says Got it, turn on two-step verification. That's how you turn on two-step verification on Amazon. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.